Good morning. Here's a new video. Today is Sunday. It's a great day. It's sunny and it's warm. Today I have bring with you to you a couple of pastas. Dry, are freshly made from me. This is made with whole grain flour, stone ground in Woerden, and this is made with hard wheat and saffron. So we'll mix them together and make a great recipe. Everybody think in Italy we eat around the table and we eat pasta every day. One is true, we eat pasta every day, some people even twice a day. But today we're not gonna eat it around the table, we're not gonna eat it in our garden, we're gonna eat it in a special place. Recipe in the background, there is my family enjoying and putting cream and being ready for the day. But let's focus on the recipe. Allora, these are our ingredients. We have shrimps, we let them steam in the hot water, will be the same cooking water of the pasta. By the way, as always, we start from switching on the fire and heat the water. And meantime, we prepare all the ingredients. Here are the two pastas, which today are dry. Okay, those are dry, made by us, by Pasta Cecchi. Ingredients: shrimps, raw. You can also buy them already cooked, but we buy them raw and we steam them ourselves. Green paprika, rich of vitamin C. Sun-dried tomatoes, cut in small pieces. Capers, and black olives from Taggia, from Liguria. Very tasty, very soft, and is an amazing side ingredients in our recipe. Let's start by frying a little bit the paprika. The basis to fry the paprika is, like always, a little bit of olive oil and crushed garlic. I use rose fresh French garlic because it's a little bit stronger taste. You need less quantity and deliver a very great flavor to the plate. Be aware, as always, not to let it really fry. As soon as it starts bubbling, you lower the fire at the minimum. As soon as it gets warm and you start smelling, okay, that is the right time to put the paprika. Once the paprika is in, we can raise the fire a little bit more, just on half heat, and we let them there for like 5 minutes. Meantime, we steam the shrimps. So the shrimps cook exactly 2 minutes, just to let them cook and get lightly soft. Meantime, the paprika is ready, so we can let it cool down here. Shrimps are ready, and let them cool down as well. Oh! When the paprika and the shrimps are cooling down, we can cook the pasta. It's very easy, you just watch the package and see how many minutes you have to cook it. But for me today it's less easy, but not difficult. In fact, I have two different pastas. The whole grain pasta cook in 5 to 5.5 minutes. Well, the saffron pasta, it cooks faster, it's only 4 minutes. So we're gonna put this one first. This one cooks 1 minute more. So you put this one first in the water and you put 1 minute. Let's say 1.5. And then you put the other one for 4 minutes. Like this, they will cook at the same time, and then we let them cool down as well. Look at how nice and colorful will be our plate. Remember, always enjoy, always be funny. That's the secret in the kitchen. Fun. Fun with the ingredients, fun with the colors, and fun with experience your recipes. Now the pasta is ready. We let it cool down here, and then we start mixing the ingredients in this magical bowl. So because we are preparing a pasta salad, and it's up to you, you can choose to have big pieces like this of shrimps, But it's nice. I have the feeling if you can have the taste of the shrimps in more than one bite. My daughter is filming. Thank you, amore. And for this reason, you can cut it in little pieces, or for also having a nice shape in the plate, I will cut it exactly in the middle, like that. So like this, you have like twice the shrimp, huh? But you can also make it in small pieces, like the paprika. Mamma mia, I can't wait to eat them. We leave it like that, or we cut them a little bit more?
Cut.
A little bit more? That maybe a couple we do in pieces like that. Guarda. In chunks. Huh? Just a couple. So we have small pieces, big pieces. Huh? Maybe another one? It's always nice to have fun with the kitchen, right, amore? Good job. Okay, let's see if the pasta is still warm. Yeah, it's slightly warm. We have to let it cool down another 5 minutes. Yeah, and then we mix all these fantastic ingredients. I already put the sun-dried tomato, peppers and the paprika here to mix together all the flavors, all the juices of each ingredient. And shrimps, we put them as last. I don't know why, but just because I like them to have them there. And what we do, we already prepared the Tajasque olives with very small pieces, so that will fit perfectly in the tiny holes in the shapes of the fusilli. You want to experience well, right? Look at the colors. That's something that I like. Black, yellow, white, red. Incredible. Green from the paprika.
Colorful.
Beautiful, huh? Let's mix. Guarda che bello. I can't wait to eat it. Ti diverti, eh? You like it, amore? That's good. Always teach your children to be confident with food. Learn the flavor and the taste, to choose the combinations. It's important for the future. Less industrial food, more homemaking food. Yeah. Buono. Allora, the pasta is cold, so we can put it now together. Start mixing. A little bit of olive oil. Yeah? Well, it's almost ready. Now we Now we add the other pasta, a sprinkle of parsley, and then we're ready to go.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you?
È già accesa.
È già accesa? Non farla cadere in acqua, eh? Allora, we are here in the Kaag. The Kaag is a small lake near Leiden. Very nice. And this is the place where we're gonna enjoy our pasta salad. Yes, amore. Okay? First we have to distribute our forks. Here is our pasta salad, amore. Guarda che bello. Guarda che bei colori. Yellow saffron, whole grain flour, shrimps and everything. Huh? But they already know all the ingredients.